Good morning, dear students. As you know that we are reading the NCERT EVS book, looking around, and this is the chapter number 13, A Shelter Too High. And dear students, I'm so sorry for this that the chapter's name is not showing well. So in the first part of the chapter, we have learned about a person whose name is Gaurav Jani. He has a motorcycle. His motorcycle's name is Lunar, and he's telling that his motorcycle is his friend, and his motorcycle is his partner, and he and his motorcycle both always try to search a peaceful place from outside of Mumbai. That is why he always uh, travel to a new place. In the second part of the chapter, we will learn new home. Loner and I were covering long distances each day. All I needed was food and a tent to protect myself from the cold night air. My nylon tent was so small that I could just about fit in it to sleep. He is telling that in the night the air is too cold, and his nylon tent was so small that he just could fit into the tent. And he is telling that no loner stood guard outside the tent. He is telling that his motorcycle guard to him. The breeze and the sound of the birds woke me up to see the sunrise. When it is morning, then he just wake up when he listen the sound of the birds. You can take the screenshot from the questions. Some questions are here, and now here are the answers of these questions. I am telling you one by one. The question number 1: have you ever stayed in a tent? Where? What was it like? So you can answer yes, I stayed in a tent in mountains of Manali. It was very adventurous and exciting experience. Question number 2: imagine that if you were to stay alone in a small tent for 2 days and could take with you only 10 things. Make a list of these 10 things. So you answer, if I would have to stay alone in a small tent for 2 days, I would take these 10 things along with me with me clothes, sweater, blanket. This is blanket. At the place of D, you have to write T. Blanket, torch, packaged food items, water, thick woolen shoes, thick woolen means thick woolen clothes, shoes, camera, and canvas for repairing tent. What are the different types of houses that you have seen? Tell your friends about it. Make drawing too. I have seen different type of houses in different areas, like houses made up of wood which are found in hilly areas, houses made up of wood which we found in hilly areas. These lines are written for 2 times, so you have to write just 1 time. Houses made up of cement, brick, glass, etc. that are found in cities. These both sentences are same, so write just only 1 time. These houses are strong and can withstand heavy rains and can withstand heavy rains and storm. But the house of made up of mud and bamboo or of wood cannot withstand such climate condition. You are watching there. This is houses are made of wood and made of wood. This is the house of made of bamboo. This is the house. This is the buildings that is made up of cement and bricks. Cold desert. At last, Lunar and I reached Leh. For the first time, I saw such an area, high, dry, and flat, called a cold desert. Ladakh gets very little rainfall. Here, there are high snow-capped mountains and a cold, flat ground. Beautiful with white houses. As I rode slowly, I found that I was being followed by a group of children. They called out, Jule, Jule, meaning welcome, welcome. They were all amazed to see my lunar. Everyone wanted me to come to their homes.